Hello everyone, it's your girl Olivia back with a completely different video. So today you see me rocking my natural hair. I just got out of the shower. The shrinkage is real, but we gonna get through this. So yeah, I just started on freshly washed hair, and now I'm just using the hair that's provided from Bia. This is the 18-inch Kinky curly texture hair. You're going to need a brush, some Pro styling gel, some Sanex strips or a scarf, and you want to make sure that you have a hair tie and some bobby pins around. So real quick, you're just going to grab a scoop of the Pro styling gel and you're just going to apply this all over your hair. I like to put the top layer first and then just kind of rub it through. Don't be afraid if you feel like you're using too much. This gel has like a black/brownish tint, so it's completely fine if you get it all over the place because when we brush the hair, it's going to blend. So don't freak out if you see this part. And yeah, I'm just going to hit the top first and I'm going to go around and hit the bottom. And as you can see, my curls are just doing whatever they want to do, but we're going to let them be great. So I'm just slicking this down all over, making sure that all of my hair is saturated. I'm just kind of pre-stretching it so that way it's easier for me to brush with the brush. And then I'm just going to go in. Everybody's mama got one of these brushes. This is like the old school smack you in your knuckles brush. Like, why are you moving? Sit still type of brush. I still cringe when I use this on myself, just from all the lovely childhood memories, I'll say. But yeah, I'm just slicking my hair up into a ponytail. And I'm just making sure everything is nice and even. And I'm going to go to the back really quick just so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So now that we have this all in a bun, I'm going to remove my towel and just show you guys my little bun that I have going on. You just want to make sure that the bun is as small as possible so that way your hair and your ponytail is not bulky. And I'm just using my fingers and the warmth from my fingers to kind of set my hair into place. And I'm going to put on about 5 to 6 Sanex strips facing forward, like tying them to the back, and then some from the back tying them in the front. Just making sure that my edges and like the front of my hair and the back of my hair is laying nice. And once I'm done that, I'm just going to let it set. And we are going to move on to the next part, y'all. And you can already see my waves are just coming through, doing what they want. That is completely fine. You can sit under a dryer also if you would like, but I just opted to let my hair air dry. Okay, so now that all my Sanex strips are applied, I'm just unraveling the bundle and I'm just going to start using my fingers to kind of detangle the ends. You want to make sure you take your time doing this. It's only sped up just because I don't want this video to be super long, but I did unravel the hair and now I'm just going to start at the back, securing it with a bobby pin. It is not sanitary to use bobby pins with your mouth when you are doing clients, but because I'm doing myself, I really don't give a shit. But you just want to make sure that when you are in the salon, you do not open bobby pins with your mouth, guys, because that's unsanitary and that's completely gross. I just had to throw that out there because I do see some stylists doing that, and that's an absolute no-no. You don't want to do that. So I'm just wrapping the hair around. I'm leaning forward so that way the hair in the back isn't tangling with the weft. And the tracks are doubled, meaning that I did not unfold it. It is in like that little short half fold situation. And I'm just going to wrap this around and add bobby pins about every wrap. So every wrap and a half going around, just so that way it's secured, but it's not too tight in my head because I hate when bobby pins are like poking you in your soft spot. That is not a good look. And over time, that'll give you a headache and breakage. And we are not trying to do that. So I'm just going to continue to wrap this around, secure it with some bobby pins. And then at the very end, I'm just going to take a little piece of hair from the bottom and secure it around just to cover the tracks that start at the base of my bun. And then I'm going to spray it also with some Got2b spray just to make sure that's nice and secured, and with some bobby pins. So I know this is a lot. Sorry if I'm rushing through this video. I'm just trying to get it done because as you guys know, we are on quarantine right now. Kids are running around the house. It's a lot of shit going on around me. So I am in my faithful garage just on my voiceover. But yeah, we are just going to secure this with some bobby pins and make sure she's nice and snug, but not too tight. Real quick, I forgot to mention, I do stick a bobby pin in my bun sometimes just to press it down a little bit more flat so that way it's not sticking through my weave hair. So yeah, I just went ahead and did that, and now I'm just going in with that piece in the back I told you guys about, and I'm just going to use that to wrap around the weft. You just want to do this to make sure that your weft is not visible because it's not cute walking around with your track showing. We've all been there, we've all learned, but just make sure that your tracks are not showing, sis, because that is not a good look. Just adding a little got-to-be spray for a little bit more insurance. I'm just using the regular free spray. I'm going to put about 1 to 2 layers of this just on the part that I used to wrap around. And this will just make sure that it's nice and secure and nothing's going to move around. So yeah, this part is pretty much done. So what I'm going to do is beat my face, guys. And then I'm going to come back in a few minutes to show you guys the final look. And we will be right back. Oh, okay. Looking real cute. Don't mind my lash glue in the corner that's still trying to dry. I do use the white lash glue, so sometimes it's very stubborn and it wants to take forever to dry. I do notice that in the video, but it did dry and it was cute in person, but while I was shooting this, it was still kind of damp. So if you see that little white piece in the corner of my eyebrow, my eyelash, it's just the glue is still wet. So this is how the ponytail looks. The texture blends really nice with my curl pattern. I was actually really shocked because this is more of like a straight kinky curly and my hair is just kinky period. But overall, I love this ponytail. I will add everything in the description box down below. This is sponsored by Via Hair, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.